Hi guys, I'm Christian and this is Dan Koo. In today's video, we're installing a dash camera. I recently got a dash camera, which is the Xiaomi Yi Dash Cam 2.7K whatever. It's a simple dash camera which is quite inexpensive. I'll start off by doing a quick unboxing for you and then we'll jump in the car and try to install it. Here we are in the car, and now let's figure out what we need to do. My current plan is to try and hide it behind the rear view mirror as much as possible, just to avoid it obstructing my vision while I'm driving. The mount just clips in place on top of the camera like so. I've moved away the rear view mirror just so it's easier for me to position the camera in place. And to be honest, I don't really feel the need to be able to see the display at all times. That's why I'm gonna kind of hide it behind. It's also gonna be useful to turn it on and see what the camera is capturing. To be able to turn it on, we'll need to plug in the charger into the cigarette lighter. As it turns out, the charger for the camera doesn't seem to be working. That's why I changed to my Bluetooth transmitter instead for charging the camera. Now when I've turned it on and did the initial setup, we're ready to try and position it on top behind the rear view mirror and see if we can align the camera to be able to view as much as possible. Now the next step would be just to try and tuck in the cable around on the top and route it down somehow. I'll need to figure out a way how to route it down to the cigarette lighter. Wow, that really wasn't too graceful at all, but I managed to do it. I managed to route it along the top of the windscreen, then it goes on the side of the A-pillar, down, then on near the door opening here underneath, and after that I routed down along that length there, hit the cable underneath there, then we go across and to the cigarette lighter. That's it, guys. This sums up the video. I really hope you enjoyed this. This is just something new I'm trying out. If you did, maybe you can consider liking this video or subscribing to my channel. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.